Today, we're diving into the world of hibiscus, a beautiful flower that does much more than look good in your garden. From lowering blood pressure to boosting your immune system, hibiscus has some amazing health benefits. Let's explore why you should add hibiscus to your diet. First up, let's talk about how hibiscus can help lower your blood pressure. Hibiscus tea is known for its ability to naturally reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Lowers blood pressure. Natural remedy for hypertension. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea regularly can have a significant impact on lowering blood pressure, making it a great natural option for those managing hypertension. If you're looking for a refreshing way to keep your heart healthy, hibiscus tea might be just what you need. Next, hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off harmful free radicals and supporting your overall health. Rich in antioxidants, supports immune system and fights inflammation. The antioxidants in hibiscus, like vitamin C and anthocyanins, help boost your immune system and fight inflammation. This can aid in preventing diseases and even slow down the aging process. A cup of hibiscus tea is not only delicious, but also helps keep your body strong and healthy. Lastly, hibiscus can be a great addition to your weight loss journey. It helps boost metabolism and promotes the breakdown of fats, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Aids in weight loss. Boosts metabolism and breaks down fat. Hibiscus tea has been found to reduce body fat and improve metabolism, making it a perfect beverage to sip on if you're trying to shed a few pounds. So, not only does hibiscus tea taste amazing, but it also helps you stay on track with your fitness goals. So, there you have it, 3 amazing health benefits of hibiscus. From lowering blood pressure to boosting your immune system and even helping with weight loss, hibiscus is truly a powerhouse. Make sure to try it out and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.